If you want to enable dark mode on TikTok but the option isn't showing, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your TikTok app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok and tap on Update if it's available. Next, open the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right and then select Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on Display. Then look for dark mode, and if you don't see it, it could be because TikTok is gradually rolling out this feature in different regions, so it might not be available for you yet. As an alternative, you can enable system-wide dark mode on your device. For iPhones, go to your Settings app and then scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, select Dark. And for Android devices, go to the Settings followed by Display and then select Dark Theme. TikTok will then follow your device's theme. And that's all. That's how you can fix the TikTok dark mode option not showing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.